我是 Katrina. Welcome to Smart Mandarin video lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to give you some vocabulary from HSK2 level. So without further ado, let's get started. The first word is 一直. Okay, 一直 means constantly or continuously. How do we use this word? For example, you could say he is watching TV constantly. He non-stopping watching TV. So you could say 他一直看电视. He keeps watching TV. He keeps watching TV. 他一直看电视. As you see that 一直 and the action that you continuously doing. 他一直看电视 or you could say, oh, he keeps complaining. 他一直抱怨 means to complain. You can say, oh my god, 天哪 means oh my god, 天哪他一直抱怨 一直抱怨 You can double 一直 reduplicate 一直 他一直抱怨 He keeps complaining. 他一直抱怨 The second word, 有空 I find this word is very useful. It means available or to have time. You could ask a person, 你明天有空吗? Are you available tomorrow? 你明天 tomorrow 有空吗? So 有空 means 有时间 to have time. 有空你明天有空吗? 我明天很忙没空我明天很忙没空 no time. Tomorrow I'm busy. I will have no time. 我明天很忙没空 Or you could say 他没空学中文 He has no time to learn Chinese. 他没空学中文他没空学中文 So you could say someone's busy, no time for something. So 没空 to do something. 他没空学中文 Next one, 停 means to stop. So you could just say that alone, like 停 stop. Okay, to ask someone to stop, you could say 停 But 停 also could mean to park, like to park your car. You can ask a person, 你的车停在哪里? 你的车 car 车你的车停在哪里? Park where? 在哪里 is at where, literally. So your car parked at where? As you can see that the subject is the car. 你的车停在哪里? What if you want to change the subject to you? Where do you park your car? So you have to make your car as an object and you as a subject. So you could say, 你把车停在哪里? You can say that. 你, so the subject is you because you park the car. 你把车 is the object. 你把车停在哪里? Park where? 你把车停在哪里? And as you can see that there's a word 把 right here. This is a grammatical word which I explained in depth in my advanced beginners level course. It's a long course. I cannot explain that in this video. So if you want to learn how to use 把, which is a very important grammatical structure and logic in Mandarin Chinese, there's no English translation. If you want to learn that, just go to my Teachable online school and watch advanced beginners course. Next one, 不过 This is just another way to say but. So in HSK1, my absolute beginners course, I taught you the word 可是 means but. Another word to say but is 不过. This sounds more formal than 可是. So people use 可是 more than 不过. 我很想学中文，不过我没时间。I really would like to learn Mandarin Chinese, but I had no time. 我很想学中文，不过我没时间。我很想学中文，不过我没时间。 Next one. This one is a measure word. It's 班. Alright, this one is very important, and you don't have this in English, and I don't know if you have this in any other languages. Okay, so what is 班? It's a measure word for public transportation schedule. As you can see, if you see a train schedule right here, for example, you have a train at 8 o'clock. The first train is at 8 o'clock, and the second train is at 8:30, and the next train is at 9 o'clock, and the next train is at 9:30, and so on. So if right now the time is 8:05, okay, let's just, for example, if the time right now is 8:05, so the last train was 8 o'clock, and the next train is 8:30. In this case, you would say 上一班火车是8点. 上 means previous or up, right? 上一班 班 is a measure word for the schedule of public transportation. So the last train, 上一班火车 火车 is train. 是8点 is 8 o'clock. 上一班火车是8点. The last train schedule is 8 o'clock, and the next train, 下一班 means the next scheduled train. 下一班火车是8点半. So the next train is 8:30. 上一班火车是8点. 下一班火车是8点半. As you can see, that 班 is very tricky, but it's a measure word, and it's the schedule for the public transportation. 下, okay, the second sentence, 下 is next, right? So 下一班火车, the next train 是8点半 is 8:30. So if you want to ask people, which is very important, if you want to ask people, when is the next train? All right. So what time is the next train? 下一班火车是几点 is what time? 下一班火车是几点? So 下一班 next 火车 train 是几点 is what time? 下一班火车是几点? So now you know 班 is very important, although it is kind of tricky. You don't have that maybe in your language, but it's very important when you want to ask the schedule of train, okay? Or you can say the first train of a day or the last train of the day. So if you say the first train is 第一班火车, 第一 means first, right? 第一, 第二, 第三, first, second, third. 第一班, you see the measure word again. 第一班火车, okay, that's the first train. So if you want to ask that, what time is the first train? That would be 第一班火车是几点? What time is the first train? 第一班火车是几点? And then if you want to ask when is the last train, so the last would be 最后 the last. 最后一班 the last 火车 train, the last train. 最后一班火车是几点 is what time? When is the last train? I'll say that again. 最后一班火车是几点? So this is how you ask the first train, the last train. Of course, you can change or switch the transportation to buses or subway, which I have told you in my lessons in advanced beginners course. If you're interested to learn more lessons from my Smart Mandarin courses, you can join me on my Patreon, or you can go to my Teachable, just purchase my course to become my online lifetime student on Teachable. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们。